Did your models have any cords or bunions? No, actually, I've never really baby. You're so tough. Thank you, Bobby. What are we going to do? How did you get those really interesting?
Well, we need to find a way to get rid of Donald's hiccups. Where'd you get that idea, Goofy?
That's also good.
Oh, no. Today. Do we have some special gifts for you today? It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Singers. Looks like we're gonna need some help from our friends. Get rid of.
We can all sing.
Clarabelle Show?
So, have you made a decision? Yes.
You will?
Great. Let's go tell them.
Diggity dog.
Haters, the judges thought your feet paintings were just so much fun. I really love
Oh.
Oh, yeah.